So it's pretty clear you want to buy it. But hold your horses for just a moment and let me show you all the pros and the cons of this product. So please take a moment, watch this short video that I've prepared for you. Thank you.
This is the easiest way to quickly build huge social media accounts, generate traffic, and build a wildly profitable online business. This brand new software and training package gives you everything you need to build a stable and reliable income for a low one-time fee. Welcome to the Social Code. With over 150 templates, dozens of images, drag and drop features, and hours of expert level training, every online marketer needs this. How can SocialCode transform your online marketing? SocialCode will become your new best friend. If you do any kind of social marketing, then you will use this every single day. Let's take a look at SocialCode in action. Create social covers. SocialCode comes with 37 social cover templates with dozens of beautifully designed background options. Create social stories. We include 26 story templates with even more backgrounds, customizable text, and stunning images. Create social posts. We have 50 post templates. All can be fully customized with icons, backgrounds, and as with everything on SocialCode, it is all drag and drop easy. Create viral memes. We have included over 50 of the most popular blank viral meme images. Simply choose your image, add emojis and any text you like, plus you can upload your own images, meaning the sky is the limit. Full marketing training. As part of the SocialCode program, we include training on how you can build huge followings, traffic, and ultimately customers. You will learn how to generate free traffic from Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. We will also show you how to research viral trends and how to turn all this traffic into income. SocialCode combines powerful, easy-to-use software and detailed training, making this the most complete social marketing package available today. You will get access to every kind of graphic a marketer could ever need. These templates can help you build a profitable business in the following ways. Sell marketing to local businesses. Promote your e-commerce stores. Build niche followings. Become a lifestyle influencer. Or promote affiliate products. And the best part, even if you have zero social media marketing experience, you'll be able to compete with the top dogs instantly. And if you already have a lot of experience, this software and training will speed you up your game, and show you a few tricks you probably never considered. We are so confident that you will love SocialCode that you can try it out risk-free for 14 days. If for any reason you're not 100% happy with your purchase, send us a quick email and we will refund every penny. Get started right now and lock in your Charter Access discount with full commercial license for this launch week only.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.